Hey everyone, today I want to share a really fun trip that my wife and I just took to Biloxi, Mississippi. If you've never been to Biloxi, it's a small city on the Gulf Coast that has a big reputation when it comes to casinos, entertainment, and nightlife. As soon as we got close to the casino strip, it felt like we just crossed into a whole new world of neon lights, glowing signs, and that unmistakable energy that only comes from a place where people are gathering for entertainment, food, and maybe a little bit of luck. Just a little further down, we spot the Hard Rock Casino. The Hard Rock is hard to miss, no pun intended, because of its huge glowing guitar sign, and then, something really cool, a walking bridge with a giant lit-up sign that simply says Biloxi. Well, if you know us, you know that my wife and I have a soft spot for Harrah's casinos. We've been to a few of them in different cities, and we've always had good experiences there. Now, one thing worth noting, cameras aren't allowed inside casinos. Before we even thought about heading to the roulette table, my wife and I decided we needed to grab something to eat. Inside Harrah's, we found a restaurant called Sizzle Salt. After scanning the menu, we both landed on the new chicken chipotle tacos. They were really good. Not only did they hit the spot flavor-wise, but they were also surprisingly affordable. I actually took a picture of the menu while we were there, just so I'd remember it for next time. After dinner, we made our way over to the roulette table. Now, here's the thing about playing at a casino. You always want to remind yourself that it's entertainment first. And in the end, we came out ahead, which made the night feel even sweeter. If you've never been to Biloxi, Mississippi, I definitely recommend adding it to your travel list, whether you're into casinos, good food, or just experiencing a little slice of Vegas energy right on the Gulf Coast. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough of our night in Biloxi.